Now we're going to use equations to solve practical problems. Now if you follow the steps below, you'll be able to solve your word problems. So the first important thing is to read the question. Let x be the unknown, write the equation to model the situation, and then solve it. So let's have a look at the first example. Jane thinks of a number, adds 6, and the answer is 11. What was the number Jane thought of? Okay, so you've read the question. Now go have a look and see what you have to find out. And what we have to find out is the number Jane thought of. So we are going to say let x be the number Jane first thought of, because we have to assign an x or a letter to the value in order to write the equation. Okay, then you go back, you've assigned x to be the number Jane first thought of, and then read the question. She adds 6, so we're going to write this in math symbols. Here's our x, we add 6 to it, and the answer is 11. The answer is, that's an equal sign, is 11. And now that it looks familiar, and we can solve it. Subtract 6 from both sides. X is equal to 11, take away 6, that goes out, 5. Now don't leave it there, always write a sentence at the end. The number is 5. Okay, let's try another question. Sue thinks of a number, adds 3, and then multiplies the result by 7. The answer is 56. What was the number Jane first thought of? So we go to the end of the problem and we see what we have to find out. Now we've got to find out again what was the number Jane first thought of. So our first sentence is always let x be the number. And you write that down. Okay, go back to the question and translate words into math symbols. She thinks of a number, she adds 3. X plus 3, and then multiplies the result by 7. So that has to be done first. Now I could go times 7, but in algebra when you multiply a bracket you put the number in the front and you don't need the times sign. And the answer is 56, and there we have our problem, our equation. Okay, expand the bracket. 7x plus 21 equals 56. Take 21 off both sides. 7x equals 56, take away 21 is 35. We just want our x by itself, so we're going to divide each side by 7. X is equal to 5 again. The number is 5. Don't forget to write the sentence. Okay, a slightly different problem is when you have 3 variables that you have to write equations for. Well, one equation for three different variables. So 3 girls called Mary, Julie and Haley are sisters. Julie is 3 years older than Mary, and Haley is double Mary's age. Together their ages add up to 19. How old is Mary? So we're going to the end here and we're going to say let x be Mary's age. Now we also need the other ages in terms of x. And so we go back and read it. Julie is 3 years older than Mary. So if x is Mary's age, then x plus 3 is Julie's age. And they'll give you enough information to solve the problem. Haley is double Mary's age. How do you do double? 2x. And 2x is Haley's age. Okay, we've set it up now, and then we can write the rest of the equation. Together, that means add them. X plus x plus 3 plus 2x, they add up to 19 equals 19. And there we have our equation. So all we've got to do now is solve it. 2x plus 1x plus 1x, 4x plus 3, I can't add 3 to 4x, equals 19. Subtract 3 from both sides. 4x is equal to 16. Divide each side by 4. X is equal to 4. So we go back and see, what did we say x was? X was Mary's age. That is what we had to find out. And write your sentence. Mary is 4 years old. Okay, now you just have to practice quite a lot of questions. There's a lot in your textbook.